Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Axon 30, and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches in screen recording on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then click here to the features. After that click to record screen and then you'll see here record touch interactions. If you want to turn them on or off, you should just use the switcher. And that's it. Also, we have the one more way how we can launch the screen recording settings. First, you should open the notification panel shortcuts and then find screen recording icon. Hold for a while this icon. Oh no, just hold it, not only touch. And after that, you can launch the same screen recording settings and to turn on or turn off the screen touches. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.